Bikepacking to me has always been about getting out in nature and exploring the world.
Many people are nervous about doing this alone. Maybe it's the fear of being stranded somewhere with a broken bike.
Or more likely, it's camping somewhere in the wilderness by yourself.
My message to everyone who has these worries:
You can do it, and you may love it.
there's so many pros to bikepacking solo.
You can choose when and where you go.
You can ride at your own pace. You can stop to take photos and videos.
You'll build a huge amount of self-confidence and you'll soon realise it's not that scary. Humans are social creatures, and sometimes it's hard bikepacking alone for long distance journeys. When you're tired, hungry, cold and wet, it can be a real struggle to motivate yourself to carry on. No matter what happens though, trust me, you will find determination in yourself to carry on. It's a great feeling, overcoming your self-doubts.
Let's talk about camping solo, because I know it's something a lot of people worry about. The first thing I would say is, if you're really worried about this, don't go and wild camp on your first attempt. It's just going to add another level of anxiety to your trip that you don't need. So first things first, if you're really worried, just book in a campsite and camp there and see how you feel. It is really nerve-wracking. I've been bikepacking for years by myself, and I still get nervous sometimes when I'm out wild camping. It's just one of those things, you've got to try and get over it, and the only way you're going to do it is by trying it and giving it a go. You're never truly alone, not in a creepy way. I've met so many kind and generous strangers on my trips, it's unbelievable. They're not really strangers now, I suppose. It really does restore your faith in humanity. When you're out bikepacking, something goes wrong, someone offers to help. It's really amazing, and it happens way more often than you think. To Ron and Carol, who picked me up and helped me sort my stubborn tyre in the depths of the Scottish winter, to the kind Icelandic man who drove me 5 miles to get me out of this horrendous Icelandic storm and get me to my campsite safely. These are the sort of amazing people that you will meet when you're out solo bikepacking, and they're the sort of people that turn a standard bikepacking adventure into an incredible story worth telling. So the message to take away from this video: bikepacking alone has been one of the most amazing things I've ever done in my life. It's changed me for the better, and I would 100% recommend it to anyone. There are no shortcuts to building up your confidence to going out bikepacking solo. You just got to pluck up the courage and go for it. Try and stay local for your first one. Aim for favourable weather if you can, and make sure you tell your loved ones where you're going. I'm sure you'll absolutely love it. If you have any advice that I haven't mentioned for people wanting to start solo bikepacking, leave a comment in the video. I'd love to hear from you. It'd be good to get a discussion going. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.